Hello, Martin Baker here and welcome to the Baker's Show Centre. It's my ambition to meet every client personally so I can ensure I offer the best advice and share my experience. That's why I work on an appointment-only basis to allow me to have quality time with you. When we meet, I always start by finding out your garden room requirements and ambitions, and we can discuss about future-proofing. We would also at that early stage discuss about the planning rules and building regulations to make sure the building is an asset to you and to your property. After that, we can get on with the fun stuff. Here at Baker's, we have 14 buildings on display with an array of options, helping to make the perfect decision for you and your budget. We display all of our door options from our UPVC single door to the aluminium options, the double French doors, inline sliding, the very popular now tri-sliding and bifolding doors. We also have an array of glass options from standard tough and clear to our low E glass and a number of integrated blind options, colours and brands for you to make the right choice. Along with our standard MTX cladding, we show a number of alternative solutions that remain focused on our zero maintenance ethos and with that 50-year life expectancy. This includes the millboard in Velo along with the London Stone design clad. As well as that, we can look at the pros and cons of traditional timber and make sure it's the perfect decision for you. With the size and externals taken care of, we can then focus on the interior design, positioning of furniture, gym equipment, or that all-important Baker's bar. I'll work with you to make sure the interior is absolutely perfect. We will also discuss internal feature walls, from our popular oak feature walls and painted colours to tile, brick and stone options, even a mural or wallpaper. Our inspiration room shows hundreds of options and combinations, allowing you to understand what's possible so we can make that personal touch and make it your building. So if you're thinking of a garden room, why not make an appointment to meet me at the Baker's Show Centre? It's just 20 minutes south of Gatwick on the A23. That's right next door to our factory where you can see everything being built from the raw material. There's dedicated parking and a fresh coffee is always waiting for you. I look forward to meeting you soon.